Delicious sesame coffee cake recipe, easy and irresistible. Hey, everyone, welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, I've got a special treat for you, a scrumptious sesame coffee cake recipe that's perfect for your morning coffee or tea. It's easy to make and oh so delicious. So, let's get started. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com, 3 coffee lover. Ingredients. For the cake. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup plain yogurt. For the sesame topping. 1/3 cup sesame seeds. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and greasing a 9-inch round cake pan. Set it aside for now. Step 2. Prepare the sesame topping in a small bowl. Combine the sesame seeds, granulated sugar, and ground cinnamon. This will give our coffee cake that irresistible crunch and flavor. Set it aside. Step 3. Mix dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. This will ensure that your coffee cake rises perfectly. Step 4. Cream butter and sugar in a large mixing bowl. Cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it becomes light and fluffy. Step 5. Add eggs and vanilla next. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Don't forget the vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Step 6. Alternate dry ingredients in yogurt. Gradually add the dry ingredients in plain yogurt to the butter mixture, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 7. Layer and top with sesame mixture. Now, pour half of the cake batter into the greased pan and sprinkle half of the sesame mixture over it. Then, add the remaining batter and top it with the rest of the sesame mixture. Step 8. Bake and enjoy. Pop your coffee cake into the preheated oven and bake for about 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And there you have it, folks, a mouthwatering sesame coffee cake that's perfect for any time of the day. The aroma is just incredible. It's so good. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our delicious recipes. See you next time on Miss Coffee Baby.
Introducing Valentine with Skeleton Skill 2024. This unique product features a skull design in a striking white color, complemented by red and pink roses. Inside, the phrase "Rose are red, inside I'm dead" adds a touch of dark romance. The left eye is adorned with beautiful roses, creating a captivating visual. Perfect for Valentine's Day or as a unique decor piece, this skeleton skill is sure to add a touch of intrigue and charm to any space. Embrace the beauty of life and death with this stunning Valentine's Day gift.